Hello, grade 6. This is teacher Regina, and today we will discuss about converting between units of time. First, let us see the relationship of each unit. We have minutes to seconds, hour to minutes, week to days, century to years, days to hour, year to days, year to weeks, millennium to century, and century to decades. Now let us see the value of each unit. We say that 1 millennium is equal to 10 centuries. 1 century is equal to 10 decades. 1 decade is equal to 10 years. And 1 year is equal to 365 days. But with a leap year, we will add one more day, which is 366 days, and leap year, it happens every 4 years. 1 year is equal to 12 months. 1 year is equal to 52 weeks. 1 week is equal to 7 days, and 1 day is equal to 24 hours. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. 1 second is equal to 1,000 milliseconds. In converting units, we need to remember some rules. So, if large unit you need to convert to small unit, you need to do is to multiply. If you want to convert a small unit to large unit, you need to divide. Example, large to small is minute to second, days to hour, and an example of small unit to large unit is second to minutes, hour to days. So let us have one example. How many hours in 8 days? So we need to know the days into hours. Since day is a large unit and hour is a small unit. So what we need to do? We need to multiply. We need to remember that 1 day is equal to 24 hours. So let us multiply. Let us multiply the 8 into 24. 8 times 24 is equal to 192. So we have 192 hours in 8 days. Let us have another example. Sultan's dad has been alive for 60 years. How many decades is that? So 60 years, 2 decades. Since unit years is a small unit and decades is a large unit, so what we need to do is to divide. We need to remember that 1 decade is equal to 10 years. So let us divide. 60 divided by 10 is equal to 6. So, Sultan's dad has been alive for 6 decades. Let us have another one. How many seconds are in 4 hours? Oops! we don't have exactly conversion from hours to seconds. So we need to do a two-step in this problem. We need to know how many hours is equal to seconds. So, first, we need to know hours to minutes in order to find out how many hours in seconds. Minutes to seconds. These are the two steps that we need to do in order to answer this activity. So let us see. Again, we need to know first the hours to minutes, minutes to seconds. First, so we have 4 hours, 2 minutes. Since hours is large unit and minutes is a small unit, so what we need to do again? We need to multiply. But we need to remember that 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So let us multiply 4 multiplied by 60 is equal to 240. So it means we have 240 minutes in 4 hours. Next step, we need to find out minutes to seconds. Since we have 240 minutes, so we need to convert it into seconds. So 240 minutes to seconds. Since again minutes is large unit and seconds is a small unit, so what we need to do is multiply. But we need to remember that 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So 240 multiplied by 60 is equal to 14,400. So we say that we have 14,400 seconds in 4 hours. So I hope you understand in this part. That's all for today. A worksheet will be sent to you also, and I will wait for your answer. Thank you for your listening. Keep up the good work, keep safe, and stay at home. See you soon, class.